So good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. So all of you are present, I guess. Let's start our practice. You'll be see basically you'll be giving me the answers. Okay. I'll just show you one or two questions. After that, I'm going to give you the um, a particular question. You will try and just answer me. Okay. Fine. Uh, am I audible, children? Am I audible? Am I audible? Just respond me by the chat box. Okay, fine. So, I guess your lesson number, just wait for a minute. So, fine, children, let's do today one of the chapters like lesson number 10. Okay, let's do lesson number 10 today. You try to answer me, okay? You'll be no issues, you cannot answer them, but just try from your end. Lesson number 10, chapter 10. Okay, so basically we start from this chapter 10 is your algebra's first lesson, that is algebraic expressions. Okay, so suppose we want to add two algebraic expressions. Two algebraic expressions we want to add. Then what we have to do, basically suppose I'm taking two algebraic expression, two or more. Okay, first try with two only. Okay, suppose I take 3x square minus 4x plus 6x cube minus 5. One of the expression and the second expression is 9x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 4. So you are asked to add these two algebraic expression. So how we can add? Basically we write the first expression as it is. ये जो पहला वाला एक्सप्रेशन है हम लोग वैसे ही रख देंगे, 3x² -4x plus 6x³ -5, and then starting from the second expression we'll try to put up like it is 9x³, in front nothing means plus, so plus 9x³ हो जाएगा. Then is -4x², so we'll put under -4x². Then plus 5x, so we'll put over here under x and -4. So we see here we can add them. See, -5 and -4 will be -9, plus 6 and plus 9 will be plus 15x³, plus 5x and -4x will be plus x, and 3 minus 4 will be minus x². So it was a very easy one, is it? So we did it. Now moving to our next one, and you will try this one out. Okay, so try this one out. Find sum of 5z³ plus 2y z². You take time, no issues, plus, but you try to do it. You try to do them. Okay, find sum of these, and 8y² plus 2zy² minus 6z²y plus 2zy and minus 3z³. Try to add them, all of you. I'm waiting for your answers. Okay, start to do it, all of you. You have to add them. We will be adding these two sums. When you are done, just respond with yes or no. When you are done, just respond with yes. Good, Harshit, and others. So basically, you can check out what we can do. We'll write the first one as it is. So 5z cube plus 2y z square plus 9 y square z minus 6 yz plus 10 y square. Then we are going to group them 8y square. So 8y square will come under 10y square. Nothing means we have a plus in front. Then 2y square z. You see 2zy square, not it is 2y square z. 2y square z. So it will come under 9y square z. Similarly minus 6z square y. You don't read z square y, you read it minus 6yz square. So we'll put under minus 2yz square. Then plus 2zy. So we'll put under 2yz over here and minus 3z cube. So we'll try to add them. 10 and 8 will become 18. There is no borrowing and carrying over here, okay? Minus 6yz and plus 2yz. So minus 4yz plus 9 and plus 2 will become plus 11 y square z. Minus 6 and plus 2 will become minus 4 yz square, and 5z cube and minus 3z cube will be 2z cube. So it's very easy. I guess many of you have got that. ठीक है. Maybe you are getting 2z cube on front or back, no issues. The number should be same and the numbers and the signs should be same. Okay, so I guess all of you have done this. Now uh, giving you a next one, just try it out from your end. You have to add 4a square plus 3ab minus 9b square, then is 5a square b square minus 3a square minus b square, and 4ab minus 7a square b square plus 2a square and minus b square. All of you try this. You have to add them. After this question we'll see how to subtract. We'll revise the subtraction also, okay? See, there is no time limit over here, okay? So whatever doubts you have, even you can ask, so it can be cleared up, because today is the first day of our division. So maybe you try out some other question in your home and tell me, no issues. So shall we see its answer? So that is 4a square plus 3ab and minus 9b square. We try to see that there is 5a square b square, but there is no uh, what we say term like 5a square b square, so we'll put at the end or in the front also. You can add minus 3a square, so we'll put under here. Minus b square we'll put under here. Now we see 4ab, the third one 4ab, so we can put under here, under ab. Minus 7a square b square we can put over here, and there is plus 2a square, so we can put over here, and minus b square again we can put over here. So at the end what do we get? Plus 5 minus 7 will be minus 2a square b square, minus 9 minus 1 and minus 1, so will be minus 11b square, plus 3 and plus 4 will become plus 7ab. 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 and 2 is 3a square. So that is your answer. So now moving to if you are done with this, we can move to the subtraction. ठीक है? So can we? Good. So subtraction. How do we subtract two algebraic expressions? Suppose two algebraic expressions are given. They said subtract 5x cube y4 plus 14x square y cube and plus 2x square y and minus 1 from, we have to subtract this from which thing? 4x cube y4 minus 11x square y cube plus 4x square y minus 5. So we have to subtract what? This thing from this thing. So we understand that we have to subtract this from this. This is the first term and this is the second term. So we have to subtract first from the second. So we'll write the second first, because we have to subtract first from the second. So we will write the second one first as it is, and then on the down we can write what? The first term, that is 5x cube y4. Please ensure that you write the like terms under each like term. If it is not a like term, just put it, uh, just don't put under any column, you write it separately. So here we need to change the sign, so I'm changing the pen color to highlight the change in sign. See here, there is minus over here, so we'll give plus, we'll change the sign. Here is plus, we'll change the sign. Here is again plus, so we'll change the sign. Here is again plus, so we will change the sign. So we have to change the sign of the first one according to this. Okay, so that we see minus 5 and plus 1 becomes minus 4, plus 4 and plus 4, and we recognize by minus 2. Plus 4 minus 2 will be plus 2 x square y minus 11 and minus 14. So we get minus 25 x cube x square y cube, and plus 4 and minus 5 we get minus x cube y4. So it's very easy. You need to write the second and then the first term, and then just change the sign according to the second first term. If there is minus, you need to change to plus. If there is plus, you need to change to minus. That's how you can change the signs, and you can simply add them after changing signs. Okay, so I'm giving you a next question to try. Okay, just try this question. Subtract ab का power 5 minus 6 ab का power cube plus 5a square b4 from 4a square b4 minus ab cube and plus 5a b5. So this is the first term and this is the second term. So just I told you, write the second term and then on the down the first term, and then you can do. So please do it right now. Do this one and tell me. After that we can just check out answers. Good. Good, Arshit. Fine. So we can do then. ठीक है. See. So we'll be writing 4a square b4, 4a square b4 minus ab square plus 5 ab ka power 5, and then we will write this, that is ab5. So ab5 will be written below ab5 with a plus because nothing in front, minus 6 ab cube. So as I told you, there is nothing like ab cube on the top, so we'll write minus 6 ab cube over here, and then we see plus 5 a square b4. So as we subtract, so minus will change to plus, plus will change to minus, plus will change to minus. So it will be plus 6ab cube plus 5 and minus 1, that is plus 4ab5 minus ab square plus 4 and minus 5 will be minus a square b4. So it was very easy to do. Is it? ठीक है. So fine. Moving ahead. Next, subtraction question only, and then we move to multiplication. Okay, this is the last subtraction question. I guess your all doubts will be cleared after this. What must be subtracted from 7m square minus 2pq plus 5n square to get 3m square plus pq minus 2n square? So you have to try this. So this is the first one, and this is the, sorry, this is the you need to here I haven't you need what you have to subtract what. So just understand the thing and do it accordingly. Please understand what you have to subtract from what thing. Okay, just try it from your end once, and then I'll just elaborate it to you. Just try once. When you are done, just reply with yes. No need to type the answer. Okay. Okay, fine, good. So I guess all of you have tried out. So what must be subtracted from? So when the from keyword comes, so this will be the second one. See, whenever the from comes, after that the second thing comes, is it? After from, after from, the algebraic expression will be the second term, is it? So that's why we will write this as second term and this as the first term. And now we do, that is 7m square minus 2pq plus 5n square, then is 3m square, so we can write it down, then is plus pq, and then is minus 2n square. So we can change the signs, that is when it is minus we will change the sign to plus, plus then minus, plus then minus. So plus 5 and plus 2 will become plus 7n square, minus 2 and minus, here is 1, is it? So minus 2 and minus 1 is minus 3pq, and plus 7 and minus 3 will be 4n square. See, we have to subtract. Okay, so as we are subtracting we have to change the signs. So just check it from your end what you are doing. Okay, we are subtracting here. So that closes our uh, subtraction. So now moving to multiplication. Okay, We'll be doing up to 8:30. Okay, so we'll be doing here multiplication. So suppose you have been told to multiply 4x square yz. You have to multiply with 3x cube y square z plus 2x4 yz square minus 7xz. So we have to multiply them. So for multiplication, what we can do, we can multiply this term with each of these terms. Okay, we can multiply this with each of these terms, whichever is kept under bracket. Suppose if it is 4 terms, so we'll multiply this 4x square yz with each of them separately. So when we multiply 4x square yz with 3x cube y square z, we get 4 into 3 is 12. We add the powers here. So x square and x3 will be x5. Y's power is 1 and y's power is 2. So that is y cube and z's power 1 and z power 1. So z square. Then plus, we can multiply these two. 4x square yz with 2x4 y z square. So 4 2s are 8, x 2 plus 4 is 6, y power 1 and y power 1, y's power 2 and z's power 1 and z's power 2 is z's power 3. Good evening, whosoever came now just. And then is minus, we will multiply 4x square yz with 7xz. That is 4 7s are 28, x power 1 and x power 2, that is x power 3, y will be only 1 and z's power will be 1 and 1 is 2. So simple, we'll multiply this with each of them separately. Okay, ठीक है, each of them separately we have to multiply and see the signs. ठीक है, so trying out next question. Multiply minus 4 a square bcy with 5a square minus 3b square c minus 8. So we will be multiplying these two. So will you try this? Just try this, all of you. All of you try this question. All of you try. We have to multiply these two things. So what we'll be doing, we'll multiply this separately with each of the terms. With each of the terms. With each of the terms. Only not the values, you have to multiply the signs also. You have to check the signs also. So we try this. So that is minus 4 a square bcy with 5. So minus 4 and 5 will be minus 20. A square and a square will be a4 bcy. Similarly, we multiply minus 4 a square bc with minus 3 b square c. So that we get minus 4 into minus 3 will be plus 12 a square. B is 1 and B is 2. That means B3, C1 and C1, that is C square and Y. And then minus 4 with 8. So we get plus 32 A square BCY. So it was very easy, I guess. Now we try something different now. A bit of different type of question. We try this. Okay. So it is again multiplication only, but here we see like if you are given something like 3x minus 2y, multiply this with x square plus 2xy. So we'll be multiplying these two. So what we do, we write 3x and this complete thing, x square plus 2xy. Then we write minus 2y and this complete thing, x square plus 2xy. So we know how to do 3x with x square, 3x cube plus 3 to the 6 x square y, x1 and x1 is x square y. Then we have to multiply this. So minus 2y with x square is minus 2. First of all, try to write the x and then the y. And then minus 2 to the 4 x y square. So I guess it was very easy type of sum, is it? So will you try just try this question? Next question, that is 3x square minus 4y square. All of you try this into 4x square y minus 2xy square. All of you try this question and respond me with yes when done. Okay, giving you 2 minutes. Giving you 2 minutes. Do it fast. So that we see 3x square multiply with 4x square y minus 2xy square, then minus 4y square multiply with 4x square y and minus 2x y square. So when we start multiplying 3x square with 4x square y, we get 12x square x4 y minus 3 to the 6 x cube y square. Then we multiply these two, minus 4y square with 4x square y. So minus 16x square and y2 and y1 is y3. Then minus minus plus 4 to the 8x y4. So it was quite easy. Now moving to that next division. Okay, that is division, and that will be our last. division. Okay, so if you are being told to divide 6x cube minus x square minus 10x minus 3 by 2x minus 3, if you are being told to divide these two, this with this, so how we are going to proceed? So we'll write 6x cube minus x square minus 10x minus 3, and we'll write over here, as we do in division, we'll write the dividend and the divisor in their position. Now what? We try to divide 6x cube with 2x. We try to divide 6x cube with 2x. 6x cube with 2x. So 2 3 is 6 and 1x and 2 will be left. So we get 3x square. So basically 2x we will write here on the top 3x square. So here it is not, both 2x minus 3 will be multiplied with 3x. So that 2 into 3 is 6x cube will be done, and minus 3 into minus 3 will be minus 9x square. And then we do the subtraction, plus minus minus and plus. So 6 minus 6 is 0, we will cancel. Minus 1 and plus 9, minus 1 and plus 9 is plus 8x square minus 10x. Now again the first term we'll try to divide with the first term, that is 8x square divided with 2x. So 2 4s are 8 and 1x and 1x cancel, so that is 4x, and that's 2 also in plus, so 4x we have to multiply with 2x minus 3, so 4x into 2x is 8x square, and 4x into minus 3 is minus 12x, so that is subtraction and plus. So this will again cancel, minus 10x and plus 2x will be plus 2x and minus 3. So again you see 2x and 2x will go by one time, so 1 will be multiplied with both, so we get 2x minus 3, subtraction and plus, so we get 0. So it's very easy. The term you write on the top, you will multiply with both, you get thing, subtract and write. Then the second term you get, you multiply the second term with both, write on the down, subtract. Then again the third term you write on the top, multiply with both. Don't multiply complete. Single term with here both the terms. Single term on the top, both terms on the, both or three terms maybe it will be there. So like this way it is done. So this is your quotient. And what is the remainder? That is 0. Okay. So I guess all of you have enjoyed the thing, what was taught to you. Thank you everybody for joining. Bidding you good night, all of you.